Cowy. Grab some white paper, a pencil, and an eraser. Remember, you can always pause the video as you go. Let's start with Cowy's head. First, draw the top of her head a bit slanted to the left. The shape includes her nose, which points out to the left. Take your time to get the shape right. Now it's time for her eyes. Draw the first eye by making a big circle on the left. Then make the second eye by drawing a smaller circle on the right. To finish her eyes, draw her pupils by making a smaller circle inside each circle that you just drew. And don't forget the eyelashes. Draw 2 small lines on each eye. Well done, Lingokids! Next, finish Cowy's nose by closing the shape and drawing 2 small circles inside. Great job! Now Cowy can smell the flowers.
Yes! Yes, yes!
Now it's time to draw her mouth. Make a capital letter D, but on its side. Great! Don't forget to draw her tongue at the bottom of the shape. Cowy loves music, so let's give her some ears to listen along. The first ear will go up and to the left, and the second will go to the right. Great! Did you know that cows have horns? It's true. Let's give Cowy her horns. It's easy. Just draw a lowercase letter M right in the middle of her head on top of her eyes. Let's finish Cowy's head by drawing her 2 spots. We can start with the one on the left. Trace a rounded line from her horns down to her ears. But be careful not to draw inside her eye. Now do the same thing on the right side. Well done! It's time to dress up Cowy. Draw 1 line down, then across, and then back up. That's her dress. See how it looks like the bottom of a triangle? Well done. Now for her legs. Draw them like they're little rectangles coming down from the bottom of her dress. Easy, right? Cowy's such a talented artist, so let's give her some paintbrushes to paint with. But wait, she needs her arms first. Draw Cowy's arms by making 2 small rounded triangles. Amazing! Get your colored pencils ready because it's time to color in Cowy. You can also use crayons or markers. For your colors, you'll need dark brown, dark pink, light brown, pink, brown, tan, and green. Ready? Let's use the dark brown color first. Use your dark brown colored pencil to draw Cowy's pupils, mouth, and eyelashes. Next, use the dark pink color for her tongue and the 2 holes on her nose. Perfect! Color her 2 spots using the light brown colored pencil. For the ears and the nose, use pink. Cowy's looking great so far, Lingokids. Grab the brown colored pencil and give her brown horns. Next, use the tan color for her body. And finally, finish Cowy's dress using the green colored pencil.